When it comes to mapping services in Gurgaon Sector 29, Scon Design is the go-to company. With their expertise and experience in the field, they provide top-notch mapping solutions that cater to the diverse needs of businesses and individuals alike. Whether you need mapping services for navigation purposes, real estate development, or urban planning, Scon Design has got you covered. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design for mapping services in Gurgaon Sector 29 is their extensive knowledge of the area. Being based in Gurgaon themselves, they have a deep understanding of the local landscape and can provide accurate and reliable mapping data. This local expertise allows them to create detailed maps that are tailored to the specific requirements of their clients. Scon Design uses advanced technology and tools to ensure high-quality mapping services. They employ state-of-the-art software and equipment to capture and analyze data, ensuring precise mapping results. Their team of skilled professionals is well-versed in using these tools and can efficiently handle complex mapping projects. Whether it's creating 2D or 3D maps, Scon Design delivers exceptional results that meet industry standards. Another noteworthy aspect of Scon Design's mapping services in Gurgaon Sector 29 is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that each client has unique needs and requirements, and they strive to provide customized solutions that cater to those needs. Their team works closely with clients to understand their objectives and deliver maps that align with their vision. Additionally, Scon Design offers timely support and assistance throughout the mapping process, ensuring a seamless experience for their clients. In conclusion, Scon Design is a trusted provider of mapping services in Gurgaon Sector 29. Scon Design is the go-to business for mapping services in Gurgaon Sector 29. They offer excellent mapping solutions that meet the varied demands of both organizations and individuals, thanks to their skill and experience in the sector. Scon Design can help you with your mapping needs, whether you require them for navigation, real estate development, or urban planning. Scon Design's extensive local expertise is one of the main benefits of picking them for mapping services in Gurgaon Sector 29. They have a thorough awareness of the surroundings, because they are situated in Gurgaon and can offer precise and trustworthy mapping data. They can produce thorough maps that are customized to the precise needs of their clients, thanks to their local knowledge. Scon Design ensures high-quality mapping services by utilizing cutting-edge technology and techniques. They use cutting-edge hardware and software to collect and analyze data, guaranteeing accurate mapping outcomes. Their staff of knowledgeable experts is competent in using these technologies and is capable of handling challenging mapping assignments. Whether producing 2D or 3D maps, Scon Design consistently produces top-notch outcomes that adhere to industry requirements.